Hey guys, John Patrick here again, giving you another quick update on Pike. I'm actually going to start with the exterior of the building today. A lot of work has taken place on the exterior and haven't given you guys a good video to see everything that's kind of taken shape. So guys, here we are. We have a brand new roof installed on all of the existing area and the new addition portion. In the distance there, you guys can see the skylights on top of the new addition, and also got the sports court placed yesterday and got that area all buttoned up. We'll come back with some fine grading activities a little later on and get this in tip-top shape for you. And I'm gonna walk you around to the east side now and show you kind of what's going on the east side of the house. Here we are on the east side, guys. Just finished up installing storm piping. That's what that excavator is here for. But like I said, wanted to get you a good glimpse of the east side, so bear with me as we walk around here. This is right where the new addition ties into the existing. The green material that you guys are seeing on the Dens glass there is called an air barrier. We install that and then install 2-inch rigid insulation up against that air barrier, and then install the brick veneer. So we've started installing brick veneer on this face, and as we get around the corner here to the north side, you'll see where our block masons just got done doing what's called a washing application. It's basically just washing down the brick that they've installed and getting it back up to that new look. So here's a good shot of the north side here, and you can see that washing operation is taking place. Just got finished up. We're currently disassembling the crank scaffolds here to get those repositioned for the next run of brick. Get you over here a little bit further to the porch area. You guys can get a good glimpse of the porch now that it is completed from a structural steel application and roofing application. So here's a good glimpse of the porch area. I'm going to slide back just a little bit real fast so you can see how that transition looks. So there's the porch. That's how we connected into the existing roof right there above the Pi Kappa Alpha letters. And there is a shot of the rest of the roof now that it's got new shingles on it. Here we are in the atrium, guys. Wanted to give you another quick shot of this. Still finishing up with a little bit of loose ends on framing, minor detail work. I'm going to step inside here to one of these suites, and you guys will see we've started to set shower bases in each of the suite bathrooms, floor drains and toilet penetrations, and have also started getting a lot of the in-wall plumbing going in. Hopefully you guys can see that piping set down in there. So we're making some progress up here on the upper level. Same thing is actually taking place here on what would be the south side of the atrium. Still finishing up loose ends on framing and trying to get this all put together and get it in tip-top shape for you, and then we'll start running sheetrock and mud and taping and start working our way to painting. So just wanted to get you another kind of back shot here if you can see the whole atrium from another angle. So there we are. This is the entrance into the chapter room, guys. You see we've got a drywall going up. We've started to wrap the columns, but here kind of gives you a good glimpse of the progress we've been making in the chapter room with all the sheetrock being installed on the walls. The walls that you see that are blue and white combination, those will be wrapped with drywall as well. Back over here into the new group study area, we've got drywall ceilings up and drywall on the walls as well. We're leaving this one wall cavity open to assist with being able to mount the VRF units that will be inside your chapter room for heating and cooling purposes. Got drywall installed here in the laundry room. That will be the wall face that your dryers sit on. This wall face being your washer and dryer hookups. And here in the rec room, we've got soffits dried in, hard lids going on the ceilings, storage closet back there that has been rocked and covered. And I'm going to show you a couple shots of upstairs. This is the living room. Here we've got hard lids going on. There'll be a secondary lid that goes on top of this, so you guys won't see any of the orange fire sprinkler pipe that's installed on the ceilings right now. Got this finished up this week as far as mudding and taping, and then we've also got a hard lid installed over here in the dining room area. Get you guys a good shot of all that. The ceiling in this room will be an acoustical ceiling, drop ceiling. Look real nice for you guys when it's all said and done. And then we also started doing sheetrock work back here in the new men's and women's restroom areas. So we've got cement board up on the interior for tile to be installed. Got some more sheetrock going up on these walls. And that's kind of just a quick overview of the interior. Check back in a couple weeks, guys. We'll have another video for you. Thanks.